bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Kim's Farmhouse Life. We have a grocery haul for y'all today. It's a little grocery haul, so
we will have more in the tomorrow morning. This is just what we picked up for now.
So make sure you subscribe, turn the post notifications on, and like this video.
We got 3 packages of lean ground beef, 1 package with 2 chicken breasts, and a package of ground chuck. I bought this little thing here for a little snack today for the kids. Lettuce, tomatoes, and a red onion. Some mustard and mayonnaise, and some Gatorade for Adrian because he's sick, and some hamburger buns. And then I will show y'all the rest in the morning. Okay, y'all. We talk nicely. Okay.
Welcome to Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today we got a grocery haul.
Yep, we did Walmart grocery pickup. Let's start from here.
We are going to start down here. First we got, and I'm pretty sure, 12 pack of eggs. Then we got some banana cream pudding for pie.
No, actually that's what I use for my banana bread. And
then we have 3.
They did a substitution.
Frenchies. Yellow mustard.
They substituted 3 for a bottle of water.
Yeah, they're 8 ounce. And then we have some cream cheese, Great Value brand, and Great Value brand and sweet cream butter.
And they
substituted
the butter.
This to bigger because we got the
Great
Value kind, but then we got a bigger one.
Yep.
And then we got French vanilla, which they substituted it too.
A bigger one for it.
We got just the French vanilla.
Yeah.
And then we got some ranch,
which they also substituted. We were getting a smaller bottle.
Yeah. And then we got a hamburger buns, which we already had. But
yes, I thought I deleted
it off.
Yeah.
Then they have some pure cane gruel. It's really sweet.
That's just sugar.
And then we have
4
cans of corn, syrup.
You can't cover it so much I can't see it.
Some Great Value buttered syrup, some children's vitamin gummies, which I already took. We got some Ortega fire roasted
green chilies.
diced green chilies. Some
refried beans. We don't have to.
Traditional fried beans.
Refried beans. And this is so good.
Texas
salsa. Oh, back behind here.
Some mayonnaise.
And this was something we had deleted. Somehow it stayed on my list.
Some Parmesan cheese.
Yep. Guess they think we need a lot of mayonnaise.
Bleach. Then some
tortilla shells.
Or
tortillas. Hold on.
2 bags of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
And I could have swore that I had gotten peanut butter chips, but I don't know.
And we have bite-sized tortilla chips. And then we have some corn chips, some cheese, an onion, tomatoes.
And this was all stuff I removed from my list yesterday, and somehow it stayed on there because I already bought all this.
This is for me. It's a body wash, hair, and...
He likes the 2-in-1 thing.
Body wash, hair, and wash.
Yep. And we got fabric softener.
Yes.
The Suavitel.
And then we got the biggest bounty
paper towels. So that's all we got on our Walmart grocery pickup today. Tell them, what are we going to tell them? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification. We hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yay, we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
He stayed home today. He was still sick. But anyway, he's feeling better.
Because our school has a policy. You got to be 24 hours of free.
Without fever.
Without fever.
And he hasn't been.
And I had fever last night a little bit. A tiny, 99. But at school, 102.
Yeah. So, anyways, now we're going to stop making some. He still has a cough. So now we're going to put all this up and get him some breakfast. So, thank y'all for watching.
Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.